Alright, pick this up off a buddy. I wanted the truck, and the camper was just kind of there. One of the jacks had been pulled out. Honestly, I wasn't going to keep this. And I just kind of started fixing on it. And I think I might keep it now. So anyway, I already fixed this corner here. Put some new wood in. I just butted it up and glued and screwed and put some new wood in. You can see back in behind here some new stuff. Essentially, I took the screws off, took the first piece of siding right off, got rid of all the junk, which wasn't much. Put some new wood in, secured it, and filled everything up with silicone. So yeah, up here wasn't the greatest at all. It's still not quite done. I just took this jack off but to look to see how rotten it was behind. I mean, it's kind of glued there now, but it really wasn't that bad. So anyway, need to do the seals and the jacks as well too. These old hijacker jacks, the O-rings go in them. Apparently it's pretty easy to fix them up. So anyway, 2 of them work, 2 of them don't. I'm gonna have Amazon order in tomorrow with some O-rings. Anyway, bare bones basic. Got a little sink, just drains out the side stove. Apparently the furnace works. I haven't even tried it yet. I'm gonna test for gas leaks and everything before I fire it up. It's got a water tank under there. I've got everything for it. Like, it's not decrepit. It doesn't leak. Double check it doesn't leak. I don't know why that tape's there. Kind of makes me wonder, but anyway, we'll figure out what's going on there. And yeah, so we'll call this part 1 of a trailer build, maybe? Camper build, sorry. We'll see.